Yo, what's going on? My name is Chase. You're now tuning in Chaseway YouTube channel, which showcases my life, the things I'm passionate about, and what Arkansas has to offer. If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button so you can be a part of the Driver Squad. Make sure you like this video, because if you didn't know, once you like this video, you let everybody know on YouTube that this channel is valuable. Share this video with your friends and family members and let them know it's popping over here. Let's get in today's video.
Nah, for real. I pull up no star for real. I hop in the whip and take off, you know I'm on my
Driver Squad, what's going on? That's right, back with another video. I had to bring y'all part three, my bad. Had to bring y'all part 3, and I was gonna make sure that I gave it to y'all. I had to deliver. Let's put y'all on the screen. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, let's go to the worksheet and let's talk about what things looking like in the shopping category. So let me update this. Scroll up. Today is the 10th. So let's change this. Last time I edited this was the 10th. So the last thing that I remember, Macy's is a good stock to invest in. Majority of the shopping categories on cash out. So if you're new here, what I am doing is I am going over all the categories in cash out right here. So I did banking and finance, energy, ETFs. So everybody before this Monday, y'all made y'all money. I'm talking about everybody that watched my video from like 2 weeks ago, from energy, banking, finances, ETF, food and drink, health, media and entertainment. We didn't get to transportation, but a lot of people airline stocks took off. But I delivered on all of these. I delivered on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm working on 7. I just finished 7, which is today's video, and I got 3 more to go, which I am going to deliver. I'm not gonna wait. But as I was doing my research by finding the symbol, by looking at the symbol, looking at the stock price, and calculating the 200 moving day average on an 80% discount, I'm noticing that in the next 50 to 200 days, another crash might be coming. So everyone that got their money in, it's probably time to start looking at, which I'm about to show y'all, time to start looking at when's a good time to buy and when's a good time to sell. So the last, probably, I want to say like last 20 that I did, I found some good stocks, which was JWN, and that is, let's go to cash out, Nordstrom. Nordstrom is about to be a good stock to look into. Right now it's sitting at $21.23 a share, but I want to show y'all something. Stock chart. JWN. I want to show y'all something so y'all can start analyzing things. So right here, this is where I look at mostly once I determine, should I buy a stock or should I sell. So right now it closed at $21.23. In the next 50 days, it's predicting that it's going to drop $17.68, but in the next 200 days it's predicting it's going to be at $30.13. So take in mind, what I always do is I take what the projected numbers are and I multiply them by 0.8, because the market might not go to exact numbers, but at least you have some type of estimate. And this is a good principle to start doing your homework. You know what I mean? So by doing this, you can get a good gauge on should you invest in these companies or not, instead of just going in hoping and wishing that it goes up. So what I did was I recorded 21.23 on the worksheet. See, it even dropped from yesterday. So what I did was, let's zoom in. So it's JWN Nordstrom. So right here. Oh. So let's change this to 21, 23. Now, there we go. Now, on column E, is it still 30? Nope, it dropped down 4 cents. So what we're going to do is 3.113 times it by 0.8, and now in the next 200 days your return rate will be 13.54%. And if you want this worksheet, leave your email down below and I can be more than happily to send it your way so you can view what's already here, or you can just copy what you see and you can start just putting in the numbers. But once I finish every video on all the categories and cash out, I'm going to change everybody to an editor, so that way we all can be in the system and start updating everything. So that way y'all won't just be relying on me and it'll be right there. It's either you can use pen and paper, you can use the worksheet, but this is how I'm going to always come back to what should I buy and things like that. Now moving forward, I will be probably transitioning to more stocks on Robinhood. If Robinhood has the same stocks that Cash App has, I'm probably going to be investing on Robinhood now. So if you don't have Robinhood, or if you're new to Robinhood, you can use my link down below and you can get a free stock and I will get a free stock too. So the more people that you refer to your to Robinhood, y'all both get free stocks even if you don't have no money invested in it. But yeah, so a lot of these companies, it's just better to wait. And the next company up, UAA, which is, I believe it is Under Armour. Okay, so right now it's $10.92. Oh, I was supposed to show y'all something. So JWN. I got ahead of myself, my bad. So it's, if you want to, I'm not your personal advisor, I'm not your financial advisor. If you want to, on the RSI it's 58.03. Now you asking, what do that mean? That means if you just look at the graph and you just start like paying close attention, history will repeat itself. So as you see, it's trading sideways, it's going up and down, but right here it's undervalued, and this was the best time to buy Nordstrom stocks because it's undervalued, it's under the market now. And you see it stayed right there and it started going up slowly. So Nordstrom haven't hit its peak, so it's still trading sideways. Now what I might do is this Friday, if it's still trading sideways, I'm going to invest in Nordstrom Rack. I'm going to invest in Nordstrom Rack myself personally, just to see, because if it continues to trade sideways, the blue line is predicting $17.68, which ain't nothing but what, $3 and some change. Yeah, $3 and some change. If you really want to be technical, change that to 20, change that to I need a calculator. 21, 23. See, you don't need, I ain't even about to play with it. 21, 23, 1768. $3.55. Bam. It's just gonna go down a little bit, and then as you accumulate more shares in the next 200 days, it's gonna go up, and it's on the 80% discount though. Even that 17 whatever is on a discount. This is JWN. It's predicting $24.10. So it's just gonna go down, then it's gonna pop up. So that's what I'm going to be doing from the shopping category. Now Under Armour, let's check out Under Armour. Now Under Armour, by the worksheet, the stock price right now is $10.92. In the next 200 days, on an 80% discount, is predicting $12.81. But stock chart is predicting that it's going to be $16.01. But if you look at the RSI, it's at $60.76. So it haven't reached its peak yet. But right here, this was the best time to invest because it was undervalued. Now it's just trading sideways, and now it might be a good time to invest in Under Armour as well, because it's still $10.92. That's another pickup that I'm going to be probably doing. And I should just go ahead. Let's go talk about the last one, TPR. Let's talk about, I wasn't gonna get into it because I don't want to make sure, I don't want to keep these videos long, but let's go on and get into it. I'm trying not to go over like at least 20 minutes. TPR. So TPR is, make sure, TPR. Y'all seen that? My light just went down. I gotta charge that up a little bit. So the daily, it closed out at $16.55. It's gonna go down in the next 50 days, but in the next 200 days, it's predicting $21.75. But if you do it on an 80% discount, it's gonna be $17.40. But you're gonna get a 5.14% on your return rate, which is a small, it's just small. But if you got $16.55 to invest in right now, you can do it, or you can wait a little minute and let it dip below $15, and then you can look at the RSI right here, because it's still trading sideways. It haven't peaked, and I was hoping that I can show something that it peaked, but it haven't peaked. All right, so now let's go to Cash App so I can give y'all a little update of how my portfolio is doing and what everything that I sold and stuff like that. So if you invested last week in Chesapeake and everything, you would have made some money. So it's time to sell some things. And the reason why I sold all these companies, or sold some, like a little bit of it, simply because they are showing that the market is going to drop again, and I want to make sure I obtain my profits. And tomorrow's video, I'm going to go over all the things, all the companies that I need to keep. I think I got rid of everything. Yeah, I got rid of everything. All the companies that I got now, I'm going to keep for long term and continue to invest. Hertz, even though Hertz is down right now, let's just look this up. Even though Hertz is down right now, HTZ. This is what I found about Hertz. This is what I found about Hertz. It's trading sideways, and right now, it was below market, undervalued, but it's still trading sideways. And it's gonna only go down a little bit in the next 50 days, but overall in 200 days it's gonna boost up. And let's just do the calculations. Let's update Hertz. Hertz is transportation, so I can't do that. So let's just go to the calculator. 1157 times 0.8, $9 and let's just say 26 cents. It's higher than $4.18. So I need to keep Hertz and accumulate shares. You see what I mean? This is how you go about knowing what companies to continue to buy in and what companies you should know what to sell in. But stay tuned for tomorrow's video, because it's going to be very informational. Let me stop y'all right there. hey man, it's time to make this money. You don't have to listen to me at all, but I am proud of every Driver Squad member that is making money, that's been making money, and that's on this journey with me. Thank y'all for supporting. Yeah, let's continue to be smart. I'm proud that there are more independent thinkers out here that want to be in a different ecosystem or economic class, and it's time to get out that working class and start obtaining these shares and own it. The ownership class. It's a new level that if we would have learned this about 2008 when the market would have crashed, we would have been great. We would have had money once we would have graduated college, peers. But anybody else that's older or younger, it's time to take advantage. The market down, the world crazy, chaos. Believe it or not, we in the United States where they make money off of people's emotional welfare. And sometimes you gotta always remember there's a solution. You gotta, even though people wanna be unemotional, cool. I'm for that too. People wanna do things logically, cool. I'm for that too. But as long as you have a plan for yourself and for your family and friends, and you putting them up on game, or even though they might not even be listening to you, but long as you keep doing and you keep doing and doing and doing, eventually people are going to catch on and they're going to want to be a part of what you got going on. And your job is to make sure you're humble and welcome everybody, so that way you're not holding no one back, because the worst thing you can do is hold somebody back. And I'm all for forgiveness, independent thinkers, and strategizing. Stick to it. That's all I gotta say. You're gonna make some mistakes, but stick to it. Stick to your plan. Stick to your guts. Stick to your dreams. Stick to your goals. Let's get it. Y'all have a great day. Oh, and I'm going to be uploading videos on my Facebook page on my so I'm gonna leave that link down below. I'm trying to get up to 10,000 followers, or 10,000 members on there. More Driver Squad members. So I'm trying to build it up on YouTube and Facebook so I can get paid for both. And yeah, if you want to watch me on Facebook too, go to Facebook. And that link will be down below. All the information that you need in this video will be in the description down below. And yeah, X-Way is trying to do great things out here. And thank y'all for supporting me. Thank y'all, Driver Squad. I'll see y'all in another video. Peace.